Yo, what's going on, y'all? This Feel Good with Feel Good Investing, and I want to share with y'all a company I came across in one of my groups. This company is a cool company. They sell a device that analyzes chemicals and certain things like Mary Jane, food, air, water. So this company has the ability to let us know through your smartphone what chemicals are in the things that we are consuming. MYDX is a science and technology company and creator of MYDX, short for My Diagnostics, the first multi-use handheld chemical analyzer that would test for pesticides in the food you eat, chemicals in the water you drink, toxins in the air you breathe, and safety and potency of your cannabis samples. It's been featured on NBC, Bloomberg, Wire, High Times, etc., etc. As you see, they have a free app you can get on the Apple Store and Android Store. So it costs $1,000 for the device, and they use these small nano chips to determine the chemicals that's in the product that you're testing. They got a Eco Smart pen that they use. It's a dosage tracker, dosage scheduler, child safety lock, Bluetooth compatible, much more. You can pre-order that. The 360, I'm not really familiar. Let's see what's this about. My purpose is threefold: bridge the relationship gap between customers and companies, facilitate real-time feedback to help companies respond to changing market trends, and provide soup to nuts coverage over formulated concentrates. Okay, so this is like the different chemicals that's in your cannabis that they test for: the CBD, THC, and CBN. And here go the three for the terpenes. Terpenes give off the aroma of your green stuff. This is a very good company. I don't know why they are priced so low, but I'm sold just on the products that they sell itself. Let's see. Let's go to their frequently asked questions. What can my DX test for? The counter DX sensors available to test for the important chemicals in cannabis, so on and so on. Pesticides in food with the Organo DX, the purity of water with Aqua DX, air quality with Aero DX. Okay. What's included when I purchase? So anyone that purchase, they get a analyzer, one sensor, AC power supply with US and European adapters, one USB cable, and 10 disposable sample inserts, and one quick start guide. How much are they? Let's go to the shop. Like I said, I saw somewhere that analyzer kits. See, they got some that's $7.99, some that's $9.99. So the $7.99 is okay. The $7.99 is just the analyzer kit, and the $9.99 comes with a grower's package. So I guess it's for the farmers who actually, to grow the stuff, and $7.99 should be geared towards, the users. Let's look at their chart on Webull. This is how cheap they are. That's 3 zeros, 4 digits behind the decimal, 3 zeros in front of the 9. So it gets to jump 2 digits place just to get near the 1 cent range. If I look back on the yearly chart, what was the highest they was ever at? Looked like a cent. Then it dropped all the way down to where we at today. Monthly. Let's look at a monthly. Oh, well, it started out as $3.39 and it came swooping down. So this is a good time to buy. You got the Stoke leading up, the Elliott wave, the red bars are getting smaller and smaller. So if you want to get in If you want to grab a position in this company right now, is the time to do so. I just looked up how much $75 will get me, how many shares $75 will get me, and $75 is equivalent to 100,000 shares. So I'll probably, do something above $75, when I invest in this company tomorrow. So I just wanted to put this on your radar. This seems like a promising company. It's not really much business fundamentals that you can really analyze because this is a pink sheet company, private company, but I'm just in love with the products that they sell. Like I'm really interested. Like I partake in all of the above that, of other things that you can analyze. Like we all eat food, we all drink, and we all breathe. But everybody don't smoke. But I'm a smoker. Well, I cut back on smoking, but I would like to know what's in the smoke when I decide to partake. With that being said, remember when you're investing, make sure you feel good while you're doing so. And I'm out.